Today we are going to be demonstrating how to operate the 2-door dual zone wine cooler. First we want to turn on the light so we can see what we're looking at. As you can see, it has the 2 zones. The first one is signified by the blinking top portion, and as you saw, the bottom door is signified by the blinking bottom portion. Now in order to actually make the adjustments that we want to make, we need to unlock the unit. We do that by holding the up and down button for 5 seconds. You'll hear it beep, and the lock button will turn away. Now in order to actually make the adjustments to the chamber, you hold down the lamp button for 3 seconds, and you can choose which door you want to make the adjustments to by pressing the lamp. So now we're at the first door. We go ahead and set our desired temperature by moving up and down. And we switch to the next chamber by pressing the lamp. So now we're on the second, and we can go up and we can go down. When you reach the temperature that you want on both settings, on both doors, you let it sit for about 3 seconds, and it will intake the adjustments back to the old screen where it has the actual temperature inside, and it will be moving as according to the temperature that you set it to.